All right, time for this week's Tech Talk segment. We are checking in with Lou Norman from Enormous Mobile Specialties. See what he has in store for us today.
Lou also sending us some chocolates. We do appreciate that,
yes, Lou.
Loving the peppermint patty.
Thank
you. And there's 2 coconuts in there for you, Tom. 2 coconuts. I made a guess, so enjoy. Today we are talking about ability to keep your vehicle, warmer and more comfortable this winter. And we're talking about the remote car start, the ability to start up your engine, the ability for the heat to blow, put heat on your windows, defrost things, have it clear, have it nice and comfortable so you can get to work on time, and just makes it so much nicer. We also talked about how adding things to your vehicle does not automatically void the warranty on your vehicle. Someone tells you different, they're in violation of federal law. Someone has to show or prove that what you installed in your car actually caused a problem to happen. Also, when we install remote starts here at our shop, we use vehicle-specific remote starts. That means if you have a Honda, an Acura, a Nissan, a GM, a Chevy, a Buick, we have electrical harnesses that are designed specifically for your vehicle. It plugs into your electrical system, and then the remote start itself sends computer signals that your car understands. So we're not using universal remote starts, and that just makes the experience so much better. Something else too is some people say, hey Lou, I live in an apartment, I'm on the 4th floor, or I'm in an office, no windows, the car's out back. How do I know if it started? Well, here's a way we can know. This is called a 2-way remote control. If I hold this button down for 3 seconds, this is going to send a signal to the vehicle. And then once the vehicle gets that signal, it checks it, makes sure the hood is shut, everything's okay, and then once the engine starts up, it's running, the car sends a signal back to the remote control, and then it tells you, hey, your vehicle's outside, it's running. It gives you some light flashes, gives you some chirps, and then you know if your car is running, getting warm, and defrosting the windows for you. So 2-way remote control, that's pretty awesome, and you can ask for those. Call us up. Send us an email. Our website at enormous.net is some great information, and that's www.enormis.net, and we can get you some information for your vehicle specifically. Before I go, I was walking in the back garage this morning and I found something. This is an air filter. This is the air filter for the air that you breathe in your passenger compartment of your car. This is not for the engine. Today's cars are coming with these air filters. Open up your owner's manual. It's that big book in your glove box that you never open. Get in there, see where it's at, change it, because mice are making homes in lots of cars, and they're not just sleeping on your air filter, and you don't want to be breathing that in. So make sure you check that on your vehicle. So for more information on what I'm talking about, check out our website, enormous.net. Happy Chocolate Day, Dave and Tom. Back to you guys.
All right, Lou, thanks so much.
Thanks,
and Lou, again, thank you so much for the bags of candy. But if I might, I took some inventory when I came in the shop this morning, and I did notice that Tom's bag included quite a few more pieces of candy than my bag did. But I'm not going to complain.
Which makes you a smart man, Lou, by the way.
Maybe somebody opened them up.
No.
Lou, thank you, sir.
Thanks, Lou.